Alright.
If this time not teach me nothing.
What is it? What's blocking?
You see, the other day, I was saying to myself that people praise material things so much. And today is a day when everybody asking me, alright, me have life. Everybody appreciate life. At this moment, no big house no mean nothing. No big car no mean nothing. No land no mean nothing. Life is everything right now. Everybody, alright, boy, me lose my house, but me have life. We have life. My house, me lose my shop, me lose everything, but me have life. And that we say, togetherness and life, nothing with vanity. Anybody want brag and boast now, what them all brag about? Homelessness.
Yes, sir.
Rich and poor, with homeless.
All
are with homeless.
Wagwan vlog world. Good morning, happy Sunday. Boy, me there. And you see the video I just played a while ago. And you heard the woman I talk about. That video pushed me for even re-record this, because to be honest, I've recorded this video that I'm gonna do right now 2 times before, and delete it because my first approach was out of anger and disgust, and I'll tell you why. You know, and then having seen this video that I play for you guys multiple times and thought about it, me there, I brush out my hair, comb out my hair, and me say, you know, when I officially do this video, I record this video and just talk to you. Listen, we've been hit by Hurricane Melissa. Right? Hurricane Melissa come and Hurricane Melissa mash up the place. And enough damage. Jamaica cripple. No matter, I don't care what nobody wants to say, Jamaica cripple on a big level. Don't matter if it never hit the capital of the country, which is Kingston. You know, it more hit on the western side, but guess what? Enough people live on the western side. Can name a few places: St. James, Savlamar, St. Thomas was affected, St. Elizabeth, Black River, Santa Cruz, whole heap of places like literally wipe off at the face of the planet. Right now, them like Hurricane Melissa come and just flatten everything. Enough people, I'm sure you guys know what's going on. And not because a lot of people feel that because Kingston never get hit, it don't affect them. It affect all walk of life, Majena. Because first thing, we get food from them side of people, the scallion, tomato, livestock, cow, everything. You know, next thing, let's go to the health risk. I'm not afraid for that. There's a lot of unalive people. There's a lot of unalive people that are down there, animals, and when the fluid from their bodies go into the water, mosquito can breed up down there and it come and bite anybody. Enough people going down there to aid, and then you have a bag of diseases that you can catch, from cholera, dengue, chikungunya. You have also aerial disease, especially when the remains, I should say, swell and bust and give off that thing. It's a lot of health risk, and they can bring it up into the city and it just start infest the whole place. So we're not really safe. And to be honest, a lot of people that are unalive down there, they're still looking for them, and there's a lot. So far, I'm sure it reached over 40, if not more. You know? And based off what me are hearing at the streets, allegedly, what I've seen too, military personnel here are dumping the bodies or the remains in them vehicle and I get rid of them for population and panic control. Them no want nobody get panicky, and you know, if Jamaica, yeah, and me just attack the truth, me no care. That's just the reality and what's happening. So while the country at about say 32, the fact is I'm not 32, I'm much more than that. This probably past about 100. Enough people unalive, I mean, them we get washed away, buried alive. You know? Human remains are pop up in a different place. It's in the streets, it's there, and I'm telling you guys, this is the reality. Me sharing this video is actually a risk, but me have to make you really know what I want. And the government to cover up the thing, brother, and not tell the people them the truth. Why? So, that being said, for my people that are going down there, which is the next thing I'm going to talk about, be careful, because you have people down there that are rob people. Rob the people them who are bringing aid in the country to help us. And yeah, go down there and go rob the people them. Please stop doing that. It's not right. I don't understand it. There is enough aid coming in Jamaica to actually share. The amount of money that's coming in, and I thank God for this, is a lot, even though we possibly need $3 trillion. Yes, $3 trillion for this complete repair, and that's how badly the country is damaged. I'm not talking just the highly affected area, but right across, because JPS, who supply us with our lights, they are in dire needs of pole, equipment, and it's not normal. Telecommunication, Flu and Digicel, them net still not optimal 100%. It's still not up. You can barely go up on Instagram, and me a postpaid phone, and I can barely pick up Instagram on my there's a pole near me. Barely. Next, internet. This thing has affected Jamaica on a grand scale, business-wise, business owner. This mash up the thing, brother. So, my point is, for saying all of this, the money are coming in the country. Beer, food from international people, USA, Venezuela, whole heap of global place. We get help from all around the world. Money, Miami Heats, big up, send $1 million. Come down here, Disney send $1 million. Brother, you know how much money? $1 million US dollar? 150 million. Alright? Okay? People are born out the queen, but the queen still send her money, or the king still send her money, 2.5 million pounds. You know how much money that in Jamaica? Meji, $500 million Jamaican dollar that. You know what I mean? I may understand them say, boy, she gonna send more, but yo, we still get something. Whole heap of money and come. Scotia, I think Scotia said them going give up 100 million shaggy. Ramesh out there do crazy work in the streets. Crazy Ahmed. Then Sean Paul, yo, whole heap of people help. Even locals here, if them not have nothing to give, them give like that, then go give them service. Whole heap of people, I want to give thanks for everybody. Big up to even Miss Sinus out there 2 days back to back. Yesterday she go Black River and today she go Westmoreland. And those are among the areas where the man them rob people, my Jenna. Who I bring aid and I pray for them safety. If I bring police down there, guys, may I beg you, please stop rob the people them. Who I bring aid for other people for get food. And the doctors them who I go down there for try and help with people. Big up to JDF too. Me see every minute me see the chopper. I move back and forth. St. James want help to brother. And that's the next thing me have to get in that, brother. Yo, Miss Angie Wellness, brother. Mark Golding, brother. I walk on my youth, me here in the street say when I hold off. Andrew, let me talk to you. Brother, now is not the time for me make this political. You can't say one Jamaica. And when the opposition want money for them constituency, look after for them people. It no matter, let's not call it for them people. The opposition want money for take care the people in a for them constituency. Our brothers and sisters, let's forget about the politics. Our brother and sister are one nation, no matter which side they depend, PNP, JLP. You go hold off the money and be difficult, my general. When people want help, me G. What kind of style that, my boss? Are we there? Yo, pretty much, yo, Christmas cancel, me G. Jamaica, literally, have that, yo, we are about 2-3 years before we bounce back fully. Like, literally, Jamaica cancel right now, me G. And we already have money shortage. Already. 2,000 workers, over 2,000 workers in the hotel industry lost them job. And then me see our Mr. Minister of Tourism I say him go open up. Tourism must me never know if I that month here. Or next month, the 15th of the month or the 15th of next month. Brother, let me not even go there. It's crazy. It's crazy. Right now, all of we just need to unify. Right now. And just be as one. And just help each other. Jamaica need the positive energy now. Jamaica need God people right now. Jamaica need the Christians, the church. Church is right now. And boy, to be honest, I don't even think it was wise for education minister to go fly home back school right now. Because we have so much things to worry about. Like disease and so. Yo, enough things. We need enough help. And myself and Miss Sinus and Jay Sinus and other people around the world do our best. But we need the help. And for it to be accomplished, I believe that all of us just need to come together in positivity, in love, you know what I mean? But brothers and sisters under Christ, and just make us do this. Next week, I will definitely vlog it for you guys. I will be heading down to Westmoreland to help. That's one of the many places I'd like to go. Me, Miss Sinus, Jay Sinus, like a bunch of women. I go vlog it. I'm also gonna be going down there to film it, because if you guys don't know, I'm a director and a cinematographer. I love to shoot, you know what I mean? Videos, you know. Yeah, we're gonna shoot it and show the world also what's happening and the effects of Hurricane Melissa, and also show the donors and the peeps that donate their money, their energy, their time, their food, their resources, where the money going, etc., etc. A lot of people doing that, but we have to do that, you know. And when I do this for no press or no nothing, but I wanted to the next reason why I jump on this project, not because it's my sister, aka road manager, doing it. It's just that it's a good thing to do. You know, we need each other. You know, everybody, all of we need each other. My brothers and sister, and I also wanted to see it with my own eyes, and I want to vlog it and carry you guys with me so they can really see it for yourself. You know, and the footage that I'm gonna be doing down there is not even to blast or no big internet or nothing. It's really for the international donors to see where their money is going and what impact it have. Some relief, you know. We'll be bringing lots of doctors too, because yeah, me know people are bringing food and all them stuff they are rare, but guess what, the people them down there that's affected very badly, they need doctor, they need medical aid. They don't need just first aid kit and gauze and them things. They need a doctor down there. People down there sick. Babies are down there sick. Elderly persons are down there sick. And them need it. So we are going to bring it. Or bring the aid down there to them as best as possible. And I just really want to reach out to the government and say, yo, we need the help. Please send help in terms of rescuing and finding the unalive bodies, not only of humans, unalive carcass, but animals, because I'm worried about the disease. I wonder if it's a plague I reach you, brother, because this thing affect people on a grand scale. And I'm just wondering what the future holds from here right now. You know, this really affect a lot of people. You know, so the big lesson this teach me, as the lady says, see, as long as we have life, we have everything. And house, land, car, you know, mean nothing at the end of the day, because guess what? Melissa just come and go with it, my G. Gone. Just like that, it gone. So, the greatest gift we have is life and each other, which I believe is one of the greatest secrets of the world. So, let us just continue for hold strong my country, Jamaica. Thank you for everybody who aid. And lastly, I'll be putting up a picture of the help we're gonna do on the drive, everything. You're gonna see it. You can offer my Jamaican people, you can go to the drop off point, you know what I mean? A Cannonball and the different location them just to, you know, you don't have to give no money or nothing like that. You can give what you can give, you know, anything, you know. Big up to all my friends them. Also shout out to my people sending some prayers in St. James to Catherine Hall. Big up yourself, Anna. Nikai, my brother, rest in peace. Auntie, moms, grandma, channel, I know how I feel it. West Green. Yo, it's a lot of damage. But I believe we'll go bounce back strong. But it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time. A lot of resources and time. But at the end of the day, I just want everybody to unite. No, it's not the time for be selfish and so on, man, and rob people. Government a whole lot of fun because of opposition area. No, it not make no sense. Now is the time all of us should come together as a brother and sister and help one another. The country hurt, brother. So much people unalive, so much. It's crazy, dog. It's crazy. So, yeah. Well, I'm strong with Jamaican people. And just go on journey with your boy. You know? Love you, God bless you. And we talk again here. And remember to click the link or click the link down below where you can donate or look on this thing what I go put up and help if you can, you know. Really appreciate it. We'll try to reach much people as possible. Alright, so yeah, just go and journey with the boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Kiss God will rock. Whoop. Journey with the boy. I mean, I got Starbucks. Mr. Got Starbucks.